Hello students, and welcome to this video for completing exercise 29 of learning Microsoft Publisher. And so first thing you're going to do, as you can see here in the video, is open up Pub 29. So you should download that, and we're actually going to need an image file for this one. So again, this is a lot of stuff that you may feel like you already know, but it's definitely a good review even if you do know these things. So open up Pub 29, and we're going to save it here under a new name. So file, save as, I'm choosing the correct folder to put it in, and I'm going to name it 29 open underscore my initials. So 29 underscore, or 29 open underscore my initials. And it says here, delete the clip text start image and replace it with 29 Huron.jpg. So the file, size the file so that the text continues to fit without being truncated as in illustration A. So right here, I need to get rid of this picture. And now there's a couple ways you can actually do this for the picture here in swapping it. The way I'm going to do it here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose delete for this time around. And I'm going to insert pictures up here. Oh wait, I need insert pictures, and I'm going to go to my file here. I don't know why I just did that for you. 29. Apparently there needs to be loading music for this. And poof, I put in the picture, and it actually ends up around where I want it to end up here, right there. I need to move it a little bit more though, because the when needs to end up in the same spot. And actually, let's put this about right here actually. So your picture should end up looking like this when you're finished with it. And then what you're going to do is, using the graphics manager, save 29 Huron JPEG as a new file on your hard disk named 29 link underscore your initials. And so I need to save this picture, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click on it, choose save as picture, and we're putting it as a new name. Now it says here it needs to be JPEG. So first off, you'll notice it's ping. I need to switch it to JPEG right here. Make sure I have the right one. And then for the name, I'm going to change it to 29 link. This is one of the first times we're doing underscore here. Your initials. And of course it's got to end up being .jpeg. So 29 link is underscore and then your initials. Alright, and then what we're going to do here is we're going to go and switch our photo here. So it says re-embed 29 link into the presentation file by using convert to embedded image. Now this is something that's actually a little bit older here, and really as long as you chose to save the picture as, it already should have it as, it should have it in there as what you need it to. You notice here, if I want to change my picture, I can right click over here and do that and select change, and it'll go to the online format. But so as long as you did the save as part, don't worry about the re-embed. It's just old. I cover it just because it's in there. And then of course we need to print our publication, so I'm going to save it, print, Microsoft print to PDF, and of course you're choosing the same name here for the file. So 29 open underscore your initials and save. And then you can exit out. I'm going to go ahead and switch to a new file here. So file, new, blank. So I want you to put a blank one in here. And now this one, for the exercise in the textbook, it actually says this one's going to require a scanner or a digital camera. It says place a scanned or digital camera image on the page so that it's centered horizontally of the page and is at least 5 inches wide. Add a text box below with a caption explaining the picture's content and how you acquired it, plus your name and the current date. So what I really want you to do is get a picture from the internet, and I want you to make up a situation. Now obviously this has to be appropriate, but so basically you're gonna kind of, you could almost say make your own meme here or whatever. I want you to insert the picture here. Remember they said it has to be at least 5 inches wide, so if I'm going here from 1, I gotta go excuse me, all the way over here to the right number of inches. So from fill most of your page here, So get a picture from the internet, online pictures, and then I want you to put down a caption below, a text box explaining how you acquired it, or basically making a meme here with it. You're going to save the publication, and of course the name here is going to be 29 image underscore your initials. So 29 image underscore your initials. So I want you to be creative with it. Again, it just needs to fit with school policy, so don't put down anything that I wouldn't be appropriate for me to, or for you to have an assignment that you're submitting. So be creative. You need an image. It needs to be 5 inches in width, and then also you need a caption down here below. And that is how you complete exercise number 29.